Oh dear, what a mess. Fine. Oh. What are you doing? Shh. What? Why did you use the Robo Hoover 3000? Used what? This is the most dangerous vacuum cleaner in the whole world. It can transform into a dangerous robot. I am being paid to keep it safe and to make sure that no one releases it. And now you have ruined it. It will suck up anything and it will upgrade once it has reached a certain amount of things it has sucked up. I'll prove it. Will we safe here? No. What now? Every time he sucks something up, he gets closer to upgrading. Her. Yay! Everything's back to normal. Including the dust.